Alright, here we go. So we did Nagios, and if we go to hosts, we can see that we have Web 01 currently up at 10.0.5.200, management at 10.0.5.10, and we're hosting it on Nmon, which is our local host. And we're currently viewing this on Workstation 01. So as you can see, both of our servers are up, Web 01 and management. And if we go to our services, we can see that management has a disk space counter, and it tells us how much is being used and how much is free. And then on Web 01, we had a disk space counter working, except there seems to be an issue that recently popped up. So we're gonna show processes instead, which is currently at the warning stage of 150 processes running. But we want that to be in the critical stage, so we're gonna lower that. And we're also gonna bring the disk space and management to the critical stage. So first, we're gonna go into Nmon, and we're gonna nano into our Windows configuration. And we're gonna go down to the disk space service and change it from 50 to 5, and then from 70 to 10. And then that will give us a critical error. And then for Web 01, we're gonna we're gonna nano into nrp config, and we're gonna scroll down until we get here, commands. Now our processes are currently in the warning stage, but we're gonna bring that down to 150. And then we're gonna restart. And then we wait for this to update. Now that our Nagios is updated, you can see that the disk space is now in critical, and the processes are now in critical. Now, we go to hosts, we want these two to go down, so I just have to stop them. Management and Web 01. Now, after a minute or so, they will say that they're down. And there are both our hosts being down. And if we go into management and then look at the alert history, we have disk space being critical and the server actually being unreachable. And then for Web 01, we also have the host being unreachable and the processes being critical. And that's it.